So this is a quick video of the Spirent Network Emulator. I'm going to demonstrate the graphical GUI, the user interface, multi-port and some of the key impairment aspects, i.e. packet delay, packet drop, jitter, packet reordering, bandwidth control, etc. So this is the GUI shown here. This is the sandbox where you'll actually create some network configurations that you want to impair. So down the left hand side here we have a number of pre-configured configurations which you can choose from, or you can go and create your own. This is a blank sandbox here. I'm now going to show you, this is what we call, it's called the 12 ports vanilla pre-prepared configuration. So you've got 12 ports here, so this could be 12 ports of 10 gigabit Ethernet showing 6 bi-directional links. So you see port 1 connected to port 2 in one direction here, port 1 connected to port 2 in the other direction here. Same with 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. So that's 6 bi-directional links, 12 ports in total. You can add various tools to this, impairment tools. So for instance, you've got a drop packets tool, double click on that, and this is your drop packets tool. Also, for instance, you've got delays, you can packet corruption, there's a whole bunch of things you can do down here. So it's a packet delay tool. You go and double click on this and you can select a delay required. So that's 12 ports bi-directional. Here's one that's pre-configured, 6 ports with delays. So you see there's ports numbered 1 through to 6. This is 6 ports, so it's 3 bi-directional links. Each one has got the delay tool here. So if you double click on this, you can set delay. So it's set to 100 milliseconds, so you can add another 0, and that will set it to 1 second. And you can do that individually for all of these. 1 second, confirm change. And it got up to 5 seconds worth of delay with the Spirent Network Emulator. That's in total. Okay, so that's 6 ports with delays. I'm not going to do any more on this one. You can also have pre-prepared configurations, so, or create your own. So these are the pre-prepared with 12 ports and 6 ports. Also have a more complex network which we've created here. So see, this is ports 1 to 2, so that's a bi-directional link here, and this is ports 3 to 4, so another bi-directional link. You can various different network impairments, so you can delay packets, packet drop, bandwidth control, jitter. It's a generic modifier that allows you to modify the contents of the packet, Ethernet fragmentation and packet reordering. So if you go into here, as before, you can set the delay to whatever value you want. In this case it's 50 milliseconds. I can put that up, say 500 milliseconds. Packet drop, set to 5 every 100 packets, so I can change that to say 10 every 100 packets. Bandwidth control, that's set to 5 gigs, so I can decide to put that down to say 1 gigs bandwidth control. Confirm changes. That's it done. Packet jitter, maximum jitter 1.75 milliseconds. We'll change that to 1.5. And generic modifier, I'm not going into that in detail just now, but this allows you to change the contents of the packet. Ethernet fragmentation, you can set the size of the MTU. In this case it's set to 1500, so I can delete that, say down to 1200 for the maximum transmission unit. Go 1200. And for packet reordering, you can change the amount of packet probability here for the reordering. So it's set to 50% at the moment. And set that to say 35%. Oh, that's set to 100, sorry. 35. Then it back to 50%. Then I'll change it to 35. And that's reordering set to 35%. So you can see how it works. Very simple to use, so you can create very complex networks. Just showing some of the easier ones. There are much more complex pre-prepared ones here, but I just want to give you a flavour of what it looks like. and that's all for just now. Thanks.